OneSearch allows Waters library users to explore articles, books, videos, and other resources available to Texas A&M University Commerce students, faculty, and staff. The video description has a list of timestamps if you want to skip ahead. The OneSearch box on the library homepage has tabs for commonly searched resource types. The first tab, OneSearch, searches resources the library owns and most databases at once. So it's a great place to start looking for sources when you're working on a research project. The Reserves tab lets you check if your instructor has put a copy of their textbook on reserve for your class. Select the OneSearch Reserves tab and search by title or course number. The Databases tab lets you look up individual databases that Waters Library has access to. You can search or browse by subject or by the name of the database if you're looking for a specific one. The Journals tab lets you search for academic journals and other periodicals. You can search by title or select Browse Journals by Subject below the search bar to see all journals available that are publishing in a field. The Guides tab lets you look for research and resource guides created by Texas A&M Commerce librarians. These guides explain how to use library resources, demonstrate research strategies, and showcase best bet databases for your major or discipline. There's even a research guide for using OneSearch. So check it out if you would like a written resource in addition to this video. The link to that guide is also included in this video's description. To do a basic search in OneSearch, first make sure the OneSearch tab is selected. Break your research question down into its major ideas and use those as keywords. By default, OneSearch will try to exactly match the input you give it, and it can't process complete sentences the way a search engine like Google can. Select the magnifying glass icon or hit Enter to start your search. For computer users, you will see a list of filters on the left-hand side of the screen. For mobile users, this menu can be opened from the funnel icon at the top of the page. Under Availability, selecting Available Online will remove any results that are available only in physical form, such as books on the shelf in the Waters Library building, whereas selecting Available in the Library does the opposite. Selecting peer-reviewed journals will give you only items that were reviewed by subject experts before being published in academic or scholarly journals. Under Resource Type, you can select filters to limit your result to a specific type of publication, such as articles, newspaper articles, and books. If there are any resource types that you don't want to see, you can click the red Exclude icon to the right of that resource type to remove it from the list. When you have selected the filters you want to use, select Apply Filters under the menu. Publication date is a useful filter, especially for topics where newer research is often more relevant or accurate. Change the starting and ending dates, then click Refine to the right of those fields. Looking at this item in the results list, you can see that it is an article that was published by a peer-reviewed journal, Sustainability, in October of 2023. You can also see a small preview of what the article is about and that it is available online. Select the item's title to bring up more information. The first section on any item record page will be the information needed to create a citation: title, author names, publisher, date, volume and issue numbers, and page numbers. If you want to save this page to return to it later, select Permalink with the chain link icon to get a stable, permanent URL for this page. If you want to quickly copy a citation for this item, click Citation with the quotation mark icon, then scroll down and select a style manual. Always double-check the citation for accuracy. Errors are common with all automatic citation generators. To see the full text of an online resource, scroll to View Online. The databases linked there will provide full text availability to an item. Some items will have several databases listed, while others may only have one or two. Select a database to open that item. You will be asked to sign in using your MyLeo or SSO credentials. For students, your username will be your campus-wide ID number, and for faculty and staff, this will be last name, first name. For more information about using OneSearch, check out the other videos in this playlist. If you have a research question or want to meet with a librarian for one-on-one research help, the link for Ask a Librarian is included in this video's description.